the Cuban Rocks. Rhythm timing. So we have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Reverse angle. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now how to dance Cuban Rock. So first of all, what exactly we're doing? So we are trying to create a figure 8 type of motion as we rocking our weight from foot to foot. So we're rocking our weight left to right with a beautiful figure 8 motion in our hip. So how to create the most beautiful action? So number one, focus on weight transferring. So this is your body weight now in the middle. Now change your weight. Imagine like a red line, like a spine on your right foot. Now change to the middle, change to the left. Now try to switch your weight from right to left. So change the weight. Now as you change your weight, keep your feet turned out and heels on the floor. You transfer the weight and then here exhale, release your shoulder to hip, and then you immediately will have a little bit hip action. Transfer, settle, transfer, release. And now as you transfer, you release, you have a little bit hip action here. Now we add a little bit rotation, hip rotation, so hip goes behind. So we transfer body weight, we squeeze our Cuban motion, and then we rotate. Transfer, squeeze, rotate. So transferring, so we can say compression, which is your Cuban motion, rotation. So we transfer, compress, rotate. So this is the main action. Now with our timing, 2, 3, 4, on 2, 3, keep your feet flat. So we go 2 and 3 and 4. Now on 4, 1, get a little bit more rib cage, slightly lifted hip. Now we're gonna lift our heel, and on 4, 1, we're gonna have a little bit more hip action, and also with the beautiful foot release and showing our heel. So we have 2 and 3, and then we have 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So now in this moment you have your rib cages moving, your hips are moving, but also you have a weight transferring, and the sequence of the compressing then rotating. So we transfer, we compress, rotate. So don't just do a hip action without any weight transferring. Now to do it together is very important, if you're in close position, to have a wide frame. Keep your hands in front of you. Try not to move your hands. Only transfer weight and do your body action. Transfer weight, do your body action. Now, if you do it with the partner, also is very good to notice if our hips coming towards each other. So we transfer weight, hips coming towards each other. So the frame stays, hips and body dancing. 4, 1. Quick and slow, or 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So for more details, check our technique video, but this is already pretty much good enough to already dance it in a very good way.